Africa, when you look at it from a continent perspective and country, it is very vast. And a challenge that many African countries have been facing is access to banks. And where people are living far from banks, they have not been able to really participate in economic life. And I think African leaders in the financial system have seen this challenge as an opportunity. What can be different? And this is where taking an open mind and being more flexible in adopting new ways in bringing those individuals that seem far to be closer in the financial ecosystem. And they have created a playing field where innovation can be fruitful for the population. And what you see in Africa now is when you listen that banks, whilst they are there, they are not the prime providers of financial services, particularly payment services. And many countries have been able to enhance their inclusion by allowing innovative ways to come in. And legislation has become more flexible. They've listened, the leaders have listened to market players, what they can offer, and they have reacted to the needs of the population. And when you go to Africa, you can see that there is more life because individuals can see themselves participating more in the economy. And this has transpired across many countries, and even getting into the smaller African countries. And I can take central banks. When we did the survey, 94% of our population was banked. But it doesn't mean that even though you have a bank account, you can access all the services of the bank. So now we have opened the market to non-bank players, and we have licensed a new payment system provider, which is going to provide payment services that banks don't necessarily provide. So the experience of the African countries is transpiring across the continent and beyond, because a lot of other countries that now have greater participants in the markets have learned from the African continent. So I would say it's the resolve of the leaders to see greater participation of the citizen that have created this environment for innovation in the financial system.